Next, you are asked to integrate x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 2 by x plus 2. So this is also a rational function. But this time the problem is that I can not just distribute x plus 2 to each and every term. Because if I distribute x cube by x plus 2, so I cannot do the integration because I don't have any formulas for integrating x cube by x plus 2. Similarly, x square by x plus 2, I don't have any formula. So what I do is, I'll try to do some different kind of manipulation. So this time what I do is, so you need to remember these types of manipulations. This is the first time that you're seeing this, but from the next time you have to do it for yourself. So what I do is, the numerator is a cubic polynomial, the denominator is a linear polynomial. So what I do is, I'll just divide these two. So you're asked to divide these two, I'll divide these two. So you know how to divide polynomials, right? X cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 2 is divided by x plus 2. So x square times is x cube plus 2x square minus minus, these two gets cancelled. 4x square minus 2x square is 2x square minus 3x. So plus 2x, if you multiply by 2x, you get 2x square plus 4x. So minus minus, these two gets cancelled. So minus 3x minus 4x is minus 7x minus 2. So x into minus 7s are minus 7x minus 14. So plus plus, these two gets cancelled. 14 minus 2 is 12. So the numerator, whatever is in the numerator, can be written as dividend into divisor plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this can be written as integration of the dividend x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 2 can be written as x plus 2 times x square plus 2x minus 7 plus 12 divided by x plus 2 dx. So that is equal to, now what I do is I'll separate these two into two terms. Now what happens is x plus 2 is getting cancelled in the denominator. So integration of x square plus 2x minus 7 plus 12 by x plus 2 dx. So now I can separate these two. So x square's integration is x cubed by 3 plus 2 times x's integration is x square by 2 minus 7 times integration is x, integration of dx is x, plus 12 times 1 by x plus 2's integration is nothing but log mod x plus 2, right? Because if you differentiate log mod x plus 2, you get 1 by x plus 2. So this will be the integration of this function.